Here at the High Court this morning again before Mr. Justice David Nolan, who's continuing in his quest to strip Enoch Burke of his assets, of his salary, because of his refusal to accept the denial of his constitutional rights. And we have Mr. Brian Kennedy, Senior Counsel, here in for the Attorney General, Rossa Fanning. Long discussions this morning about how best to strip Enoch Burke's salary from him. A lot of technical information about employees in the Department of Education, how they're going to have to swear affidavits and get the machinery in place.
And the country
yes.
falling to pieces.
Yes.
Drugs, crime, murder, out of control, and we've spent almost, is it an hour or more in there?
About an hour or more in there.
Discussing
yes.
how they can strip Enoch Burke of every right he has because he won't accept transgender ideology.
Yes, and there was a lot of trouble at the beginning of the hearing because in a judgment recently issued by Mr. Justice David Nolan, it transpired it was based on information which wasn't before the court and really could only have come to the knowledge of the court by a back channel, which is very serious.
Very, very serious.
If a court is to make a finding of fact, it has to be based on evidence, affidavits or evidence sworn in court. But we have this judge, David Nolan, breaking rules, obviously being fed information
behind the scenes,
which is just very serious. So these people are prepared to go to great lengths to pursue Enoch Burke.
Then telling lies.